All right, what have we got? We've got sound machine. Looks like it might also be a clock. The box is just orange. Okay. Okay, this is the manual. Appears to have whatever this is. Might be a battery. USB-C to USB-A cable. And you've got a little remote control. There's a battery in it, but it's got a tab so that the battery doesn't make contact until the unit is purchased. And of course, once you remove the battery, oh, that wasn't too bad. So it looks like you've got an array of buttons, which we'll get into later, and then you have the unit itself, which there's a sensor. Looks like there might be a fan of some sort. Let's see. So there is a clock on the front, and it creates white noise. Oh, you can change the color of the lights to suit your mood. Oh, that's kind of neat. If hard to see, I'll just turn it out that way to get an idea. And you put a timer, so 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120, or off. There's like a little Wi-Fi button with an automatic mode. And then okay, I just okay, put that like that so we can see it. So they give you a spare battery, which is nice of them. And then you got your charging cable. And then we've got a manual song directory. So you've got white noise, 5 white noise, 3 wind sounds, 2 rainfall sounds, brook, ocean waves, summer, night, and cricket chirping, bird and water, train, bonfire, fireplace, deep sleep melody, man-made nature sounds, and baby sleep melody. Okay, so there's a speaker on the bottom, as well as a speaker of some sort on the top, looks like. So your lower frequency stuff comes out of the bottom, I would imagine, and then the higher frequency out the top. It is, oh, wait a minute. That's the aromatherapy hole, ladies and gentlemen. So right in here is where you put your aromatherapy stuff. And then right on the back, you've got your on-off switch and your type C, and then there's a little light to indicate what's going on with the charging process. Sleep enhancing lights. One-click companion start, smart remote control, sleep timer, lossless. Yeah, I want to see if that power switch, play control, one-click smart, previous next light mode, timer function. But there's nothing. They don't tell you anything. Play control. Okay, here we go. Short press, play, pause, long press enables, disables wireless connection function. Long pressing will allow the device to be discovered by a mobile device. Now, this is the question. This is the question that I have, and I will figure it out, and I will tell you in the description whether connecting this wirelessly means that you can have things come through this as a sort of a Bluetooth speaker, or whether you can transmit the sounds from this with this button here to headphones or, a nicer speaker of some sort. I'm getting the feeling that it just works like a Bluetooth speaker, and that, the sound quality of the speaker is plenty good enough for babbling brook noises and things of that nature, but I don't think I would want to play music through it. No, sir, I don't think so. But, reminds me of, the Star Wars movies, the prequels, the ship, that big. Anyway, the Ring of Sleep coming at you.